Illinois state-to-state moving companies. Moving is such a hassle. You need to make sure you shut off all your utilities, transfer medical records, and notify schools. All that has to happen before you even load a single box. Then, you have to actually do the hard work. You have to pack everything into boxes, convince friends and family to help you with the heavy lifting, put it all into a truck or van, and hope and pray nobody broke anything. It doesn't matter if you are just moving to the next town, or across the country, it is still a huge headache. If the thought of it makes your skin crawl, you should consider hiring a moving company to help. They can't shut your utilities off for you, but they can handle the heavy lifting. Choosing your Illinois long-distance movers. Anytime you do business with an Illinois moving company, you should research them carefully. Here are a couple of things you should be looking at. Check reviews online. How much experience does this company have? Federally registered. Will I be protected in the event of damages? Extra services available. How easy can you contact them? Illinois has a wide variety of moving companies that can provide you with the service and support you need to move your belongings safely. Whether you're relocating within Illinois or across the country, these experienced companies can help make your transition smoother and stress-free. From packing services to storage options, they have the tools and resources available to handle any size move. You can also save money by packing your own belongings or using recycled boxes instead of buying new ones. Many moving companies offer discounts for customers who are willing to do some of their own work, such as loading and unloading furniture items onto the truck. One Auto Transport is one of a kind and no stranger to the moving industry. We have been a trusted moving company in the area for many years. Call us at 1-888-230-9116.